Most people will scroll past this video and miss the 7 AI tools that are quietly making people thousands, even millions, every single month. While you're distracted, they're automating, scaling, and dominating. This is the new gold rush, and you're either mining or getting left behind. This is one of the most underrated skills of the ultra-wealthy. They know how to use AI to make them more money. So today, I want to share the top 7 AI tools with you that you can use right now to start making an extra $1,000 a month in 2025. Most people will never do this because they don't have my weekly newsletter. All right, but first, we need to address the elephant in the room. We're told to go to school, get a job, save money, but nobody told you that a 17-year-old with ChatGPT and a laptop can out-earn a corporate manager. This isn't the future. It's happening right now. Imagine waking up at 17, firing up ChatGPT, and seeing this prompt appear. You can create your own personalized chatbot designed to help you with any task or question within seconds. You tell it what you want, like helping you write copy or generating Twitter threads on high-converting ad hooks. And every time you ask a question, it follows your guidelines to the exact T. This was a simple hypothetical example, but in reality, the possible applications are endless. And these custom bots aren't just for kids. Entrepreneurs and CEOs are harnessing the power of custom GPTs to optimize operations, boost productivity, and gain insights that would take human employees hours to compile. Yet many of us sleep on its potential, bound by our 9-to-5 jobs and the illusion of financial security. But the truth is this: the elites are already using AI to multiply their wealth, silently. While the average person fears job loss, the wealthy are buying time and leverage. They're automating businesses, launching faceless brands, writing code, flipping content, all while sipping coffee in Bali. AI isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate unfair advantage. Here are the 7 tools that can flip your income in 2025 if you move now. Number 1. ChatGPT with custom GPTs. ChatGPT has already changed the world, but the real secret is buried deep within the settings menu. Use it to automate customer support, generate sales emails, script videos, plan content calendars, or run your entire info product business. If you master this tool, it can replace a virtual assistant and become your secret weapon in the business. Number 2, Midjourney, DALL. There's a saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in the age of social media, that value is multiplied tenfold. Think about it. In seconds, you can whip up a stunning thumbnail that entices clicks or craft an eye-catching Instagram post that stops the scroll. Or better yet, imagine designing an entire brand aesthetic that sets you apart from the competition. What's the catch? This isn't some hidden gem. It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. People are selling this on Fiverr and Upwork daily. Number 3, Sora by OpenAI or other AI video generators. Video is king. We've heard it time and again. And now you can rule the kingdom with AI by your side. From crafting viral TikTok content to captivating YouTube shorts, you can bring your ideas to life in a snap. But wait, there's more. Forget about the cost of hiring actors, booking studios, or sourcing music. With these tools, you can create cinematic B-rolls, story-based ads, and emotional hooks. No camera needed. Number 4, 11 Labs, Perplexity, AI voice cloning. The secret to domination lies in your voice. Now hear me out. With AI by your side, you can launch faceless YouTube channels, create TikTok narrations, and even sell voiceovers on freelancing platforms. And the best part, you don't need to lift a finger or utter a word yourself. Number 5, Notion AI, Perplexity. Imagine having a personal research assistant that sifts through countless books, articles, and datasets in mere seconds. Notion AI does exactly that. You feed it a topic and it crafts comprehensive overviews, Want to learn about the global coffee market? Boom, you got it. But it doesn't stop there. This AI marvel summarizes key points, generates summaries, and even helps you organize your thoughts. But hold on, there's more. Perplexity takes research to a whole new level. It scours the web for the latest information, ensuring your ideas are always backed by the most up-to-date data. Together, they form a powerful duo that can supercharge your decision-making process. Number 6, durable 10-web AI website builders. Let's face it, the digital world is a crowded space. Your website needs to stand out. But with Durable and 10-web, you don't need to be a tech wizard. You can launch a business site or e-com store in under 30 minutes. No coding, no excuses. And the best part, you can sell anything your heart desires. Want to dip your toes into e-commerce? No problem. Looking to showcase your photography skills? Easy peasy. The possibilities are endless. Number 7, OpusClip Pictory, http://Captions.ai. Turn long podcasts or videos into viral shorts. Content creators are hiring editors using these tools and scaling to 6 figures. Now let this sink in. The average person wastes 6 hours a day on TikTok, Netflix, and mindless scrolling. If you just used one of these tools, intentionally, for 2 hours a day, you could build a faceless business, automate income, and buy back your time. And I know what you're thinking. You've scrolled past countless videos like this before. They promise shortcuts to success, but deliver empty calories. Not this one. I'm not here to stroke your ego. I'm here to wake you up. The world is changing faster than you can blink, and if you're not moving, you're already falling behind. So let me ask you a question. Are you content with the cards you've been dealt? Do you accept your fate, or are you hungry for more? This isn't a game. This is your life. And it's time to reclaim control. Stop settling for the scraps of the rat race. You deserve more. You were born for more. Don't let another year slip by filled with regrets and missed opportunities. Look around you. The ground is shifting beneath our feet. The old rules are being rewritten, and those who refuse to adapt will be left in the dust. Some will call me a dreamer, but I see the future, and it's powered by AI. The tools I've shared today are just the beginning. We're on the cusp of an explosion, a revolution that will reshape the world as we know it. Let me say this again. The only thing you need is action and the willingness to outlearn, outwork, and outleverage the masses. The new rich aren't lucky. They're efficient. They leverage technology, systems, and automation to scale their impact and income beyond what traditional hard work could achieve alone. While others trade time for money, they understand the power of making money while you sleep. If you're tired of being fed lies, if you're done watching others win from the shadows, then this is your signal. Use the tools, build the empire. Hit subscribe, not for me, for you. Because this isn't just a channel. It's a rebellion against being average. It's a movement of misfits and mavericks who refuse to play by the old rules. It's time to rewrite your story. Thank you for watching.